Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion 360 CNC programming tutorial video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos, especially for Homag and Wiki CNC machines using Fusion 360. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video for one of the viewers, and he's having an issue uh, when programming with Fusion 360. He's saying that he's getting contour errors, and he's saying the machine stops during program. So contour errors, I think he means by this. So let me show you that. I'm gonna go to Woodwop and I have a program here that I created in Fusion 360. You see, I have the routing macro, but I don't have any profile, and I don't see any geometry. So I'm gonna go to contour definition programming F6, and you're gonna have sometimes you're gonna have I used to get these errors before. I don't get these anymore because I have the latest version of the Woodwop post from Autodesk. So I can play around with any with the tolerance and smoothing values, and I'm not gonna get this problem ever again. Okay. If you're having this issue, okay, when you're getting these red contours, lines, and arcs, that means that you're running an old version of the Woodwop post from Autodesk, so you have to update to the new version. Okay. So for me to show you these red lines and arcs, I had to download the first version of the Woodwop post from 2016. So I'm gonna show you that. So I had to go to that to the Fusion 360 forum, and I created this thread back in 2016, asking for the Woodwop post processor from Autodesk. Okay. So this is somebody somebody gave us the Woodwop post. This is me right here. Okay, showing the pics, some pictures. Okay, and someone down here. Okay, so this person right here was able to get us the Woodwop post processor, actually the working version of the Woodwop post processor back in 2016. Okay, so I had to download this version of the Woodwop post so I can show you these red lines and arcs. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you. This is old post program. Let me show you the new post program, which is this right here. And this is what you're supposed to. This is what I'm supposed to get, right? See that? Supposed to get this circle here. Let me go to contour definition programming, and I'm not getting any red lines or any red arcs. Okay, see that? Let me go to Fusion 360, and I'm gonna repost this program. So, but before that, let me show you my settings. This is the old post program right here, and I was using a 2D adaptive clearing. So I'm gonna right-click Edit, and I'm gonna go to Passes. I have a tolerance of 0.001 millimeter, and the smoothing is the same. Okay, all the settings are the same as the new post program, which is this guy right here. So I'm gonna select 2D adaptive clearing, right click Edit. I'm gonna go to Passes. See, I have the same, everything's the same. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna repost this program, old post program. I'm gonna right click post process, and this is the newest excuse me, this is the newest version of the Woodwop post. This is right here. How do I know that? Because you see where it says post properties, you're gonna have all these settings here. Okay. If you post program with the old version of the Woodwop post, you won't have these settings here on the right side. Okay. So let me select the old post processor from 2016, which is this guy right here, generic Woodwop. Okay, Woodwop 22. You see, this is all the settings that I get. See that? All right. So I'm gonna post this program. I'm gonna override it. I'm gonna say yes. Okay. I'm gonna go to Woodwop. I'm gonna go to File, open the old post program. Oops. Okay, right here. See, I don't get any preview because yeah, back then I had to tweak the program. You see what says process part? Supposed to have a capital L because if you look at the variable box on the left side, see the size of the panel. Supposed to have a capital L, capital W, and capital T. And it's the size of the panel, but I don't get see I don't get the profile. Okay, so like I showed you before in the beginning of the video, this is what you're gonna get. All right. If you're running old version of the Woodwop post, okay. Um, I used to get this sometimes, but then I started playing around with the smoothing settings and tolerance settings in Fusion 360, and then I found the right tolerance and smoothing values. So I saved those as user default. Sometimes when I was doing some 3D programming, I would get these errors as well, like when doing like a 3D pocket, 3D adaptive clearing, any 3D toolpath, I would get this problem too. So um, before I found out the right tolerance and smoothing values, I was deleting all these red lines and arcs. It was a pain in the butt, all right. But as soon as I found out the right value for tolerance and smoothing, I didn't have to do deleting the lines and arcs anymore. Okay. Um, Let me go back to Fusion 360. Okay. Let me um, let me use a 2D pocket. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna change the smoothing and tolerance values. So I'm gonna select the 2D adaptive clearing um, under the old post program or setup. So right click, edit, and let me increase the tolerance to 0.3 millimeters and the smoothing 0.3. Okay, and you can save these as user default. See the three dots on the right side. Let's click on those, and you can save as user default. Okay, you can do the same thing with smoothing. All right, so I'm gonna click OK. And let me repost this program. Right click, post process. It's got the old Woodwop post processor from 2016. So I'm gonna post this. Yes. Let's go to Woodwop, file, open, old post. Okay, I'm not getting any preview here. That's okay. I'm gonna open it up. I'm not gonna say that. So I'm gonna type capital L, capital W, capital T. See now I get a full circle. Okay. Let's go to contour definition programming, F6 on your keyboard. I'm gonna scroll all the way down. You see, I'm not getting any red lines or any red arcs. So that was the right. So 0.3 millimeters was the right value for both tolerance and smoothing. Okay, see that? So you can generate. You can load this program on your machine control, and you can NC generate, and you won't have any contour error um, messages. Okay. So 0.3 millimeters was the right value. Okay, see that? I had to increase the uh, tolerance and smoothing. Okay, in Fusion 360. Let me do the same thing with the new post program. So right click, edit. I'm gonna go to 0.3 millimeters. for both tolerance and smooth tolerance. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna post this program. Right click, post process, new post. That's the name of the program. I'm gonna have to select the newest version of the Woodwop post, which is Woodwop 13. Okay, I'm gonna post this. Yeah, I'm gonna overwrite it. I'm gonna go to Woodwop. I'm gonna go to File, Open, New Post. Open it up. I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna go to Control Definition Programming, F6 on your keyboard. You see that? Okay. So I hope this was the issue that you were having with control definitions with the Woodwop post from Autodesk. I hope this video um, helped you fix it. Help you fix this issue. Okay. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.